Well, I'm gonna buckle down and get a lot more serious.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Where are my keys?
Oh, they're right there on the makeup table.
Oh, honey, that's a desk.
Table and desk. Table is a flat surface, usually supported by 4 legs. Desk is a type of table that you can work at, often one with drawers. Examples.
You have to admit that the dog butler is a little ridiculous.
You know what else I think is ridiculous? That mountain of pillows you have on our bed. I feel like I'm working on a loading dock just trying to get under the covers.
They're pretty.
They're a damn nuisance.
Pillow and cushion. Pillow is a cloth bag that supports head while sleeping. Cushions are the removable seats on some pieces of furniture, such as couches and chairs. Can also refer to decorative pillows that people use to arrange their couches. Examples.
I need to see it. While I'm gone, don't breathe on my pillow.
How about if I just don't breathe at all?
That's my girl.
Counterproductive grumbling must be skillfully headed off by management. Observe. Hey! Less talk, more work.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
Work and job. Work is an activity in which you use effort or energy. Job refers to a particular employment role or position, such as architect, doctor, or fireman. Examples.
Oh boy.
What?
I can't comment without violating our agreement that I not criticize your work.
So, Mr. Cooper, you're looking for a job.
A menial job. Like yours.
Why, thank you for noticing.
Jail and prison. Jail can be used to describe a place for those awaiting trial or held for minor crimes. Prison describes a place for criminals convicted of serious crimes. Example. Question and query. Question is a sentence, phrase, or word which asks for information, reply, or response. Query is a type of question, especially one that expressing doubt, uncertainty, or an objection. Examples.
It says here you were an IT specialist with the Board of Ed for 10 years.
Well, I know my way around a computer, that's for sure.
Query, what's your favorite Jay-Z song?
I'm sorry?
Favorite Jay-Z song?
She's kidding.
No, I'm not. What is it?
I don't know. I'm sorry about her.
Event A, a beautiful woman stands naked in our shower. Event B, we drive halfway across town to retrieve a television set from the aforementioned woman's ex-boyfriend. Query, on what plane of existence is there even a semi-rational link between these events?
She asked me to do her a favor, Sheldon.
Oh, they're right there on the makeup table.
Oh, honey, that's a desk.
Phoebe, are you gonna go to jail?
Less talk, more work.
Query, what's your favorite Jay-Z song?
While I'm gone, don't breathe on my pillow.
I'm gonna use the cushion. Yeah.